Hello, my name is Sheikh Rahman, and today I'm going to open Insignia P10A6100. I was trying to find a way to open safely, and sometime when you have guidance to the YouTube, it helps. And I could not find any guidance how to open this device, and since it's a customer's device that I'm replacing charging port, I don't want to damage it. So after I couldn't find anywhere, I was started thinking that okay, I will go ahead and try to open it without damaging, and if I do damage it, so I will have to buy the customer another device. But anyway, a very simple tool, this guitar pick or this little plastic guitar pick kind of tools is the first tool I start using it today, and I ran this through here very gently. This is partly already opened, so you will not hear the click. Now just running it like this gently, and then you just hold it like this and separate it. The plastic lock are here. Those actually needs to be unclicked and open from the frame. Now since I have this already open, now I'm going to open this board area. I like to always use this ESD band so I don't damage any component inside or short the device. When you open this locks, please be very careful. I have the damaged one, and it is very difficult to replace one of those. When you open it, just make sure you hold both sides so you're not pulling out from one end. So got this part, and then let's see, a few screws, couple of screws here. I like to always use a magnet. This one is actually a freeze magnet. It helps to organize those screws. Now there's a few more here, and the best way is actually keep those screws stored on that magnet mat the way you got it. So I think this is a little bit lifted already. There might be another screw which is right here, and then alright, got this one. This little tape is holding, and it will come off right now. Normally I do take all the wires out in order to solder here. This charging port right here got damaged. Already ordered it in advance. Now I will unsolder this area and this area in order for me to work on to remove this part to do soldering.